Take a ride in the 2019 Corvette. The Chevy Corvette is America's best-known nameplate. If you are looking for sharp and fast, the Vette is for you. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, traction control, remote keyless entry, front license plate bracket, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, heads-up display, low tire pressure warning, power windows. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.